It's applesauce Tuesday. No, keep eating. Oh, fuck. I'm sugar. No, no. Drop it. Why is my boot outside? Why is he eating snow? If he pees on my boot, we're fighting. There's your diaper. Are you happy now? Now you gotta wear a diaper? That's what happens. Are you sad you're wearing a diaper? You can't pee on Mama's bed though, honey. That can't happen. No. And when you're downstairs, you don't have to wear one. But when you're up near Mama's room, diaper has to come on. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, diaper bum. Come on, up you go. I'm wearing a diaper and I'm not happy. You can jump with your diaper on.